Hey guys, welcome back to Vlog. It's a vlog now. It's no longer a log, it's just a nog.
It's not a log.
It's a nog.
It was a log before.
It's a nog.
It's funny, I thought it was a vlog before.
It's a video log. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. It's Boof
And Lee.
and we're back in the kitchen, technically dining room. After my wife so beautifully massacred our jerky,
I did not massacre the jerky.
and while we still had the dehydrator down, I thought we'd use it and get some of the fruit we had very, very ripe on the counter in the dehydrator.
One of the great things about a dehydrator is fruit never has to go bad.
Yeah, because now it has a shelf life of however long. Not that it lasts that long.
I was gonna say, it doesn't really last long in our house.
So we had 4 different types of fruits this week that were nearing the end of their counter life. So we thought we'd go ahead and throw them in the dehydrator. We started out with a couple of really ripe mangoes, and mangoes really dehydrate down quite a bit.
The next one that we had was a pineapple that we had been meaning to cut up and use and just never had, because they're a lot of work to cut up.
They are, however, the riper they get, the better they are. And let me tell you, putting this in the dehydrator at the last possible second made these little chips extremely sweet and wonderful.
Now the next item we have is not a fan favorite of mine, but it is my wife's.
It's actually the first time we've actually tried dehydrating them. These are cherries. I had a bag that I purchased because we usually like to snack on them. I usually like to snack on them raw. And they were really needed to be eaten. I thought, well, we'll see what they taste like. And they actually turned out really nice. It's like a larger raisin, you know, but definitely not as tart as like a craisin. I'm really pleased.
The last one that we had was some apples. We had some green and red apples that we just sliced up into pieces, little chips essentially,
Including the peel.
and dehydrated them.
Yep.
Now all of these things, there was no additives, nothing added to it, nothing soaking, no prepping.
Like some of the vegetables we've done, we've had to soak in salt water. But these were just straight out of the fruit basket. Turned out amazing, and I'm so happy to have these types of snacks on the counter instead of some of the less than healthy things.
I like the less than healthy things, but they don't like me.
So guys, let us know if you've had any other fruits that you've put in the dehydrator. We've thought about a couple others, you know, that we could try our hand at, but we usually just go with the ones that we have on hand.
If you have an item that you'd like us to dehydrate, let us know that also. We just might do it.
We should definitely try something weird.
Cherries wasn't weird?
No, cherries wasn't weird. I hear watermelon is pretty cool.
Comment below if you want us to dehydrate watermelon.
And guys, thanks so much for joining us and listening to us chit chat about our wonderful little desserts.
If you haven't tried these, it's a must.
And we'll catch you guys next time.
Toodles.
Bye.
My mango and my pineapple.
Mango's real good.
I know it's real good. That's why I want to try and keep you out of it.
I like the cherries too, though. They definitely have a lot less flavor than the others. Like,
Yeah.
those are really sweet and flavorful. These are not. These are
Nasty.
bland compared to the rest, but
Horrible.
still really good. Don't choke on your mango.
Well, if you hadn't made such long strips, I probably wouldn't.